Hi, my name is Roderik Colen. I'm from Powell. At Powell, we enhance materials by applying nano coatings on powders. And we do that at industrial scale. And that's why I'm going to talk to you today about empowering progress. Let me see how this works. Green button. Excellent. Excellent. So, energy transition is in full swing. As we all know, the world is going to go electric. We all need lots of electrochemical systems to make it all work. Batteries, fuel cells, electrolyzers. There's not going to be enough of it to meet all this tsunami of demand coming towards us. So this means that this is as much as an energy transition, this is also a materials transition. And there's more challenges coming towards us. If you look, for instance, at the battery case, it's also simply about cost. 1/3 of an EV battery car consists of the actual battery inside. That's too high. That cost needs to come down. The batteries need to become smaller, and the batteries need to become lighter in weight. Scarce materials, yes, we need to get rid of them as well to make the batteries more sustainable going forward, as I said before. But above all, we also need to enhance the performance of those batteries. So look at all the developments which are going on. We're very much seeking for new technologies, but there's not enough. Look at my iPhone. I bought a refurbished iPhone lately. It only has 80% of its original capacity left because batteries degrade over time. To stop that degradation, there's something you can do about it, and that's where Powell comes in. We can apply to actual powder inside the battery a nano coating to prevent that degradation to happen. And that has big advantages because it also reduces the cost. Here in this case for the cathode about 20%. It allows us to take out the cobalt, which is in there for the stability, which the protective nano coating then replaces, and overall the life cycle is enhanced by over 50%. Now, why hasn't this been rolled out globally already? And this is where actually the core of what Powell came to be, because we can actually produce these nano coatings on these powders at industrial scale. So we've now proven that we actually outperform the alternative wet coating, which is already available in the market, and we can enhance the life cycle by over 50%. But now we can also produce at industrial scale, because since this year, the industrial scale unit is at our site, and it's easily applicable in the production line. We haven't done this yesterday. We are a deep tech company, so we've been working at it for several years. We worked our way up from the lab, sorry, we should say, to the fab, from nano to giga in various steps. And along the way, we have many partners and customers who are already paying for us to do the co-development of the various products. Ultimately, we want to go to the giga scale, but that's then for the next step. How do we do that? What we actually offer to the customer is that we provide the capacity at their site, because we sell the production units to place at the materials manufacturer site or at the cell manufacturer site. We sit just in between, and then we continue, of course, to develop contract R&D, which we do against payment. The market is huge, I don't need to tell you that. But really exciting thing for me is also that this is a platform technology, that batteries is only the starting point. Battery cathodes we can enhance, battery anodes we're working on, but also electrolysis and fuel cells, our nano coating technology can really make a big impact because of our precision and our scalability. This is also where you come in, because we want to accelerate this journey. We've got various fundings over the years. We recently closed our Series A. We've now decided to extend our Series A2 tranche by another 2 to 3 million to allow you to come on board before we actually start gearing towards Series B towards next year. As you can see, that's all made possible by the industrial scale production unit we now have in place at our site. We've got a strong team, good business advisors from a variety of industries. We have a management team which is very strong and also diverse on the technical side as well as on the industry knowledge side. And of course, on the pure technical side, we got quite a few professors from the Technical University of Delft, the two founders who are helping us. So, as Delft IMP, we're on a journey. We've got a relatively straightforward cap table with 2 investors, Sandwater and InvestNL. If you want to know more, you know how to find me, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.